In the peaceful English countryside, far from paparazzi and headlines, a wedding took place that felt more like a secret summit of the world's most powerful. No social media, no grand speeches, but the world still felt its tremor. The bride, Eve Jobs' youngest daughter of Steve Jobs, the man who gave the world the iPhone. The groom, Harry Charles, Olympic gold medalist and son of equestrian legend Peter Charles. They met in Europe's elite horse riding circles where fame means nothing, only focus and control matter. Their love blossomed quietly, far from tech conferences or fashion galleries. The wedding day, July 26, 2025. The village of Charlbury went silent. Dark SUVs rolled in. 20 U.S. Secret Service agents surrounded the area. U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris quietly entered the old stone church. Locals whispered, "Is this a wedding or a world summit?" Inside the 12th century St. Michael and All Angels Church, 101 candles flickered on ancient stone. The air smelled of roses and legacy. Eve walked in not in a Dior or Chanel dress, but in a nameless white gown. Simple, stunning, powerful. No gold, no flash, just grace. Harry stood at the altar. His eyes said everything. Then came the party. At the lavish Estelle Manor, amid crystal chandeliers and Persian carpets, Sir Elton John stepped out and sang your song. His fee? Reportedly $1.2 million. But no one blinked because it wasn't just a song. It was a blessing. Guests raised their glasses under the stars. Jennifer Gates, Princess Beatrice, Jessica Springsteen, Joni Ive, and many more from the world of tech, royalty, and fashion. The press called it a wedding organized like a military operation, a $6.7 million fairy tale. But behind all the numbers was something far deeper. Who is Eve Jobs? Really? While the world expected her to take the Apple stage, she chose the stables. No tech startup, no interviews, just horses, books, and silence. She studied at Stanford Road, into global equestrian rankings, and quietly built a life away from her father's shadow. Yet, behind that calm aura is real power. A glass-walled penthouse in San Francisco worth $85 million. A private yacht with a helicopter pad. A horse estate in Geneva. But she never flaunts any of it. She once said, "Ownership doesn't define value. Awareness does." Harry Charles, the quiet knight. He could have ridden on his father's name. Instead, he earned his own. A boy from Hampshire's muddy field stew. A man who won Olympic gold with a broken arm. He represents Rolex, owns rare horses, and trains at a $30 million facility. But he still wakes up before sunrise to clean hooves and train. Two families, two empires. One moment, on one side, the Jobs family, guarding Steve's legacy with silence. On the other, the Charles family, preserving centuries-old sporting honor. Both families share one principle. Wealth is not a crown. It's a shelter, a way to protect freedom, not control it. They didn't force their children to follow legacies. They gave them the space to create their own. So, what does this wedding truly mean? Not just a union, not just opulence. It's a declaration that love, silence, tradition, and independence still matter in a world that never stops shouting. Eve Jobs and Harry Charles didn't need to prove anything. They just lived, loved, chose each other, and maybe that's the most powerful thing of all. What do you think? Is this just a wedding? Or a new symbol of silent power? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic untold stories of the world's most powerful people.